yours to a journey of transformation and empowerment. Today, we're diving into the art of creating a portfolio that not only turns heads, but captures hearts. Hey! Whether you're an aspiring model, a budding entrepreneur, or a fashion enthusiast, this is your guide to unlocking your potential. A portfolio is your visual resume, your story in frames, okay? Proverbs 22:29 says, "Do you see a man or woman skilled in their work? He will stand before kings, he will not stand before obscure men." And in this case, she, obviously, if you're a female watching. But anyways, your portfolio should reflect your skill, right? Your uniqueness and your readiness to stand before greatness. Start by selecting photos that showcase your versatility. Think of it as a visual tapestry, each image as a thread in your story, right? Opt for a mix of high fashion, casual, and editorial shots. Each should highlight a different facet of your personality and ability. Remember, this is your first impression. Make it unforgettable. Next, let's talk styling, okay? Accentuate your natural features and let your style speak for you. As 1 Samuel 16:7 reminds us, man looks at the outward appearance, but the Lord looks at the heart. Okay, ensure your portfolio is authentic and reflective of who you are at the core. Consistency is key. Keep the presentation clean and professional. Use a simple, elegant template that lets your photos shine. Think of your portfolio as a gallery. Each piece should stand out yet complement the others. Aspire to be a chameleon in the industry. Diversity in your portfolio demonstrates adaptability and equality as crucial as it is in fashion, right? As also in entrepreneurship, honestly. Ecclesiastes 9:10 advises, whatever your hands finds to do, do it with all your might, okay? Embrace every opportunity to display your range. Incorporate a mix of emotions and styles, from the fierce confidence in a power pose to the soft grace or a candid moment, all right? Let your portfolio be a testament to your dynamic spirit. Now, it's your turn. Step into the spotlight, okay? Remember, your portfolio is more than just images. It's a reflection of your journey, your passion, and your promise to the world. As Matthew 5:14 reminds us, you are the light of the world. Shine brightly, brilliantly, and illuminate the path for others, okay? So, dear visionaries, go forth and create, all right? Create a portfolio, craft a portfolio that not only opens doors, but also builds bridges, all right? Subscribe for more insights, and let's continue this journey to greatness together.